To my spoken tutorial. Now I will show you. This is the second tutorial of the file handling system. In this video, I will show you how to write data into a file. And the function that I will use here, that is the putc and a putc. And the syntax for putc and a putc is that putc, first two parameters are there. First parameter is the ch means the character which I am going to write into a file, and where I will write to that character, that is the ap. Okay, now go to the turbo c++, dev c++, and I will show you how to write the write one character into a file. Now, first declare the header file, main file pointer. Everything is will be as per the previous video. That first open the file. Now, opening the file input.txt, and open the file in write mode, because I want to write some data into the file. Now, if file is opened, then it will work. If file is not opened, then it will show one error message. Basically, this block will produce the error message. After giving the error message, if file opens, then I will take one character and I will take input from the user, as I want to write that character that will given by the user, that I want to put into the file. So for that, first I will take input from the user. Percent %c, comma, ampersand of ch. User will give input in ch one character, and the function that I will use, that is the a putc or putc, and the syntax is that a put c. There are two parameters. One is the ch and another one is the file pointer, that is ap, and the character which will be entered by the user will be inserted into the input.txt file, and I opened the file in write mode, meaning that the input.txt file, whatever content was there, it will be deleted or erased, and new data will be inserted. Now first I will open the file from the current directory, and the file contains input.txt. I'm just searching input.txt. Okay, this file contains this fff and 55. Now I open the file in write mode in my program. Now execute this program. Okay, and suppose user enter t. What happens? The t will be inserted, and previous data, that is the fff and 55, that will be deleted. Now you can see that t is inserted into the file. Now if I execute again you can see that t will be erased, and new data, suppose z, I am going to insert, it will be inserted into the file. Correct? Okay. Now next, what I will do, that I will write one data. I am writing one data into the file. Now suppose I open this file in append mode. In append mode, what happens? The whatever content was there, that will be as it is, and new data will be inserted at the end of the file. The file contains z. Initially I check the file contains z. Okay, next I will run this, or I enter this t, and file is opened in append mode, as the file is append mode. Okay, now that if we open the file again, you see here that T is inserted at the end of Z. Again, if I run the program and inserted P, that P will be inserted at the end of the file. Look here, that Z, T and P. This is P is inserted at the end of the file. Now this is the working function of fputc. We can use here putc also in place of uh, fputc. The syntax is same, that means ch and fp. Okay, now another thing is, suppose this input.txt file is not in our current directory. I just deleted this one. I suppose I delete this input.txt file from the current directory. Then what happens? Then if we run this one and file is opened in append mode, what it will do? It will create one new file and new data will be inserted at the end. Input file, this one. Look, new data is inserted at the same directory. Now again I deleted the input file. Now if I deleted the input file and I want to open this in read mode. Now if we execute this one read mode, and suppose the fgetc program, previous program, I return into the previous program. fgetc. Now suppose in this case I open this file in read mode and input.txt is not in the current directory. Just one minute. And open this one, the file is not exist here because the file is not in the current directory. Now if we put that input.txt file in directory E, there is the input file. Now to open this file we need to know to write that E number. Now you can able to read this file successfully. D, you see the file, input file DA is there, first character it reads. Okay, this is the, thank you for watching my video.